This particular type of purifier would be used for small marine vessels, most likely those burning diesel oil. If we were using this on land, this particular purifier design could be used for light fuel oil applications. So what's happening here? You can see that our clean fuel oil would come down here and be discharged on the right. Our water would come down here and be discharged on the left. The dirty fuel oil, you can actually see that it would come along here and then into the top of the purifier, into the cover. Once you've set the interface up correctly, once you have enough water, you'll no longer get any fuel carryover coming out of your water discharge. Because remember, if the entire purifier is full of dirty fuel oil, then that dirty fuel oil is going to flow up here, around the gravity disk and out of your water discharge. When the interface is formed, then we'll only ever get water coming out between the top disk and the purifier hood. You can see here that it's rotating. Let's speed it up a bit. It's rotating very quickly, and it's this rotation that's going to cause the water to fly outwards towards the outer periphery of the bowl, and the fuel oil to be moved inwards, or to be displaced inwards towards the center axis of rotation. If I press play, the purifier is now rotating internally. We'll have a look at that in a second, and we can see that it's indicated here. We've got a cap. This cap is used for adding oil to our gearbox. The gearbox casing is here, and we can see our oil level. If we go down here, you can see that the oil level is actually in the middle of the oil level sight glass. The other thing that can stop the bowl rotating is the brake. We apply the brake by pulling this lever upwards, and then the brake will press against the bowl and stop the bowl rotating. Once again, we do this when we want to perform maintenance, or maybe just before the purifier has come to a full stop. We don't apply the brake otherwise, because if we do and the purifier is rotating, the brake will burn off pretty quick.